Hi, I'm Sean with NVR, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the battery in your Genie remote control. Before we begin, this video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult your owner's manual for complete instructions and safety information. The first step will be to open the remote. You can do so by using a small coin or the visor clip. Notice the small slot opposite of the keyring. Place the coin in the slot and slowly twist. Once open, take note of the front and back panels. Also see the circuit board within. Both panels have a keyring at one end, which will be important when reassembling. The next step will be to remove the old battery. This can be done by pushing from one side and pulling it out with your other hand, as shown in this video. Note that this is a 3-volt coin battery. Please be certain your replacement battery is the same model number as the one you're removing. Also be sure to dispose of the old battery properly. Next, insert the battery into the holder, keeping the positive side up. Place the circuit board, battery side down, into the back panel, with the battery on the keyring side. The battery should not be visible at this point. Now you can place the front panel on top, sandwiching together all 3 parts. Lastly, apply a little pressure, squeezing the 2 panels together. You might hear a faint click. Congratulations, you have just replaced your remote battery.